I'm Dr. Zain, working in Islamabad International Hospital Research Center. As you can see, we have this young lady in her 20s who came to us with this skin problem. It has been there in front of her right ear since childhood and has been getting bigger. She wanted it to be removed for cosmetic purposes. We call this skin lesion as papilloma. Papilloma is a small benign growth. Benign means non-cancerous. It can affect any part of the skin. Usually, it is a single finger-like projection, and the projection may be long and pointy or short and round. Papilloma like this are usually painless. However, if treatment is required, then options include surgical excision, cryotherapy, and electrocautery. As you can see, we are using plasma pen in our cosmetic center to remove papilloma from this young lady, giving satisfactory results and a happy customer.